This is the second episode of trading a $50 account, and guess what, guys? Yesterday we tripled this account. Currently we are up $107 on the balance, and we only took two trades. That is the CHF Swiss franc, the CHF against the Japanese yen, and also we did take gold trade against the US dollar. So let me just show you what I saw before making those decisions. And of course, guys, I do document my trades, and I'll show you. First things first, if we start with the CHF trade, let me just start with the gold trade. This is it right here. So this is what gold was looking like before I call out that buy position signal. And you see, I said if gold takes that high, then now we're going in for buys. Okay, then it kept on dropping. Gold dropped respecting that high, and seems like our initial head and shoulder might be valid, but let's see how it plays out. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you. As time goes by, we're waiting. Okay, just a minute. Then I say right here. Now this is based on my phone analysis, guys. I said if now gold is looking good for buys, and you can only risk 1%. And remember, gold is a witch, guys. Okay, she can give you crazy pullback before going up. That is gold. Okay, so yeah, we did take that entry. So this is when we were in profit, and guess what? We never took time for price to give us profit, guys. No drawdown. We were just in profit the moment we clicked on that buy signal or that buy button. Okay, so let me just hit that replay tool for you guys to understand what I'm trying to say. But guys, on Sunday I had a focus analysis with my premium members, and we discussed about gold trades, and of course the things that I was anticipating and the things that they were supposed to look out for before making their decision. Okay, you just make decision based on what you were seeing. All right, so now based on the daily, we see that gold has been going up for a while, but we're just going to react to what the market is doing. Yes, we understand that the market is going up, and if we see sell position, we're going to execute, and if we see a buy position, we're going to execute. Okay, so we see we have a high, low, high, and kind of the market broke out of that high. So I was anticipating that gold might give us a sign that it wants to drop, probably to come and touch this level based on the daily. Okay, but now heading over to the H4, let me show you. In fact, this is where the gold trade was before the market opened, when we were analyzing this market on Sunday. And I say when the market touches this level or that support, I was anticipating that the market might go up, respect this high, and that is when it gives us a head and shoulder and then drop. Okay, and let's see, the market did that. Actually, the market went up. Okay, now when the market touched that resistance, guys, I keep on saying, understand how price approaching a support or a resistance. Okay, now if I try to see this level, this resistance of mine, I see that this market was giving us a continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag. So why will I take a sell? Yes, I was looking for sell position, but the market is giving me a bullish flag, a continuation pattern. So why will I take a sell position? So I'm just going to react to what the market is doing. All right, and just a minute before that madness. Okay, now I was anticipating that gold should take this high, then I take that entry, and then gold just dropped from nowhere. Let me see. I believe, yeah, there was news, retail sales, something like that. So that's when gold dropped, boom, and guess what? Price got rejected. See, price got rejected. So the moment I saw that, that's a dragonfly, guys. If you know about the Japanese candlestick, this is like a dragonfly. Okay, so when I saw that dragonfly, I said, that's a good sign on indication. Of course, that was news, and we got rejected. So if the moment gold takes that high, I was still insisting I'm going in for my buy position. And yes, I call in for that entry buy position. Like I said before, let me just show you once again. Right here, gold looks good for buys. See, guess what? At the 15, there's a reason why, guys, I saw also another buy after that news from the 15 minutes, based on the 15 minutes. Okay, based on the 15 minutes. Look at this, guys. If you guys are keen and good in patterns, guys, this is called an inverse head and shoulder. Then why will gold give me a continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag, and then despite all of that, it's going to give me an inverse head and shoulder? Why will gold do that? That was just a good sign that, yo, take your buy entry, and yo, gold went over 150 pips. Let me show you. Let me see. Oh, this is, I believe, today. It went over 100. In fact, that was 266 pips. That was amazing run. So let me show you when I was recording my screen. In fact, I told my public right here when I was closing my position.
A trade signal on gold. CHFJPY was a signal I gave out last week on my VIP. Gold, of course, I paid that to my VIP, guys. See how we're going crazy on this pair. So gold right now is up more than 150 pips on each. So if I had 3 positions on gold, should be more than 450 pips. I don't know, do the math. So you see, I count triple, guys, from $50 to $170. Man, I'm not greedy. I'm going to close all this position. Close all position. Whee! Yeah, man. So let me show you my VIP. Yes, making good cash right now. I told you guys. Yeah, man. So this is when I gave out the gold signal. Of course, let me show.
All right, I've already showed you that. So I'll maybe try to analyze CHFJPY, but I believe I removed my drawings on the CHFJPY. Where are you? Right here. So before CHFJPY moved, let me show you. That was also in my premium group. Just a minute. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? CHFJPY. Come on. Where are you? Let me start all over again. Come on. I need to find, okay, right here, CHFJPY. This is, when was this? April 9th, and today's 16th, guys. So you see, this is when the market was moving, but I did take this entry based on the 1 minute. When was that? On April 8th. It's a risk entry because I took it on the 1 minute. I hope you guys can read here. Right, Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. You see, I don't know if TradingView is going to allow us to get the replay tool until 1 minute. I don't know, I can't be sure. But where was our position? I can't remember though. So let me try to find out. But okay, what was it? That's the one. This is the 1 minute, guys. This entry was made on the 1 minute, so I can't remember. So if I have 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Dang, guys, I can't find that position though. April 9th, April 8th, guys, and today is 16th. Been a long time, yo, holding that joint. But it moved more than 70 pips though. I can't get it. I don't know where that entry position was, but I hope you guys, either way, the gold trade explanation was quite easy for you guys to understand. So I'll just show you these pictures on Swiss franc. This is when it was moving after taking that entry. Okay, this is when I took that entry. You see it, as it was moving, okay, right there, playing out nice. This is when it was up 35 pips, you understand. Okay, that's another one. 66 pips, moving nicely. This is another one. So basically it moved over 77 pips. So right here, CHFJPY is 76 pips from last week. It's an amazing run though. So you guys see, guys, we tripled this account, and before I took that gold trade, this is when the CHF was running, guys. I was only up $17. You can see and the balance right there is 50. So equity 67, floating profit was 17, and as time goes by you see $22, right? Then this is it, we're still playing out, and this is when I took a gold trade right there. We were up 50. Okay, so 50 was just like I already doubled that account. 50 is floating $50 profit, and right there 113 profit. So you see equity is 163, and then I just played you that video, guys. So that was an amazing grind. I hope you guys understood that short video, guys, and be safe, guys. Before you make your entry decision, guys, make sure that you understand what the market is saying. I keep on saying that the market gives out blueprints, guys. It's you, or is your decision for you to interpret that, guys. It's based on you, based on your eyes, guys. Do not complicate forex trading, and I hope you guys learned that. So adios, my amigos, peace.